Hello everyone, I'm Peter Seinzod, an attorney here at the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. Welcome back to our channel where we delve into the complexities of family law. Today we're tackling a crucial topic for those navigating post-divorce challenges. Specifically, we'll be discussing the intricate landscape surrounding pension claims and whether your ex-wife can claim a share of your pension years after the divorce is finalized. Pensions often represent significant assets subject to division during divorce proceedings. But what if your ex-wife seeks to claim a portion of your pension years later? Join me as we explore the legal nuances and considerations involved in navigating pension claims post-divorce. To comprehend the landscape of pension claims, we'll delve into the legal framework governing such cases in Texas. We'll explore relevant court decisions that have significantly shaped the way pensions are handled after divorce, providing valuable insights for those facing similar situations. One of the key aspects we'll address is the concept of time limitations and the statute of limitations regarding pension claims. Understanding these temporal constraints is essential in determining the validity and enforceability of a claim made years after the divorce decree is finalized. We'll discuss the importance of having a clear and comprehensive pension division order during the divorce process. Compliance with the terms outlined in the pension division order is crucial for both parties, and we'll explore how adherence to these orders impacts future claims and their enforceability. Several factors can influence whether your ex-wife can successfully claim a portion of your pension years after divorce. We'll examine these factors, including changes in financial circumstances, legal precedents, and the role of equitable distribution in pension-related matters. For those concerned about the potential for post-divorce pension claims, we'll discuss the proactive strategies and legal measures to protect your pension rights. Understanding your rights and taking preventive steps can significantly mitigate the risk of unforeseen claims in the future. Let's dive into real-life case studies that exemplify the challenges and outcomes associated with post-divorce pension claims. These scenarios will offer practical insights for individuals navigating similar situations, providing a better understanding of potential challenges and resolutions. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we recognize the importance of seeking legal consultation and expert assistance in matters involving post-divorce pension claims. Our experienced attorneys are here to provide guidance and advocacy to protect your interests and assets during these intricate legal proceedings. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of pension claims after divorce. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more valuable insights into family law complexities. Remember, the Law Office of Bryan Fagan is here to support you through the intricate journey of post-divorce challenges. We'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.